If you just open the Mail app on an iPhone or iPad and then go to Inbox, here you get the search options. So tap on the search field, and after that you may type anything here and search for specific keyword or information inside the Mail app on an iPhone or iPad. But the problem is this also shows the recent search history here, and you can see here that I have searched for these keywords in the Mail app on my iPhone. So if you are someone who is privacy concerned, you must be wondering how you can delete the email search history on iPhone. Well, that's exactly what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to delete email search history on iPhone or iPad. In order to delete email search history on iPhone or iPad, what you have to do is you have to first of all go to Mail app and then go to specific mailbox for which you want to delete the email search history. Then after that, simply tap on the search field and expose the searches that you have made recently. And once you see the recent searches in the Mail app on an iPhone or iPad, next you have to simply slide left like this and tap on delete to delete the specific keyword for which you want to remove it from the search history. So tap delete and this will be deleted, and you'll have to do it one by one for the each keyword for which you want to remove that from the search history in the Mail app on an iPhone or iPad. But this only deletes the search history for the Mail app on iPhone or iPad. And if you further use Gmail app as well, then you have to go to Gmail and delete that specifically from the Gmail app. So simply go to Gmail app, and after that tap on the profile icon in the top right corner to see the specific account that you are logged into, and make sure that you have logged into the exact account for which you want to delete the search history. And after that tap done, and then tap on the hamburger like icon in the left corner, and that will expose further options here from which you have to scroll all the way down and tap settings. After that you'll get the settings options for the Gmail app on iPhone or iPad. Here you have to scroll all the way down and you'll see the option for data privacy. Tap on that, and after that on the data and privacy page you also see the option to clear search history. So tap on clear search history and then confirm by tapping on clear, and all your search history inside the Gmail app will be deleted now. So tap done and you are ready to go. So this way you may delete email search history on iPhone inside the Mail app as well as in the Gmail app. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to block someone in Gmail, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.